Monty from Monty's Ham, and I want to show you how to make the most wonderful fettuccine with ham, cream, Parmesan cheese, and peas. The first thing we do is we follow the cooking instructions for the fettuccine, and what we do is salt the water. Now we're going to take the pasta and just put it into this one beautiful big saucepan. We're going to make everything in one saucepan. Isn't that a fantastic idea? No dishes to cook on no dishes to clean on this one. So we're going to leave this pasta, follow the package instructions, which normally about 11 minutes, and we'll be back with you in a second to put the rest of it together. Now this is now as I told you, as I promised you, this is a one-dish dinner. So here are these tidbits of ham. They're about 1/4 of an inch. We try to do about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch. Cube of ham, some wonderful cream. Now this is whole cream. I'm not doing any diet special here for you. The peas, this is one of those things that just heats in a couple of seconds and you have dinner. This is easily under a ½ hour start to finish for this whole meal. Now what I like to do is I'm going to add back in the cooked fettuccine that we did in this pot a minute ago that you saw us putting it. And now the very last thing we add is 2 whole cups of grated Parmesan cheese. And this will give us the body, the sauce, the body that you want it to have. Give a lot of flavor to the ham, to the noodles. We used fettuccine, but you could use linguine, you could use spaghetti, any long pasta. Now what you're doing here is you're just merely heating this through. This does not take any time at all. And what we're going to do is now we're going to plate it. This cheesy, delicious pasta with this wonderful all-natural ham that just tastes so delicious. Just a wonderful, wonderful supper. Very easy to make, very easy for kids, for anyone who enjoys a good, delicious, so beautiful. A few extra peas on the plate. Make sure you got a little ham on the plate. And there it is. Fettuccine with ham and cheese. I'm Monty Matthews from Monty's Ham, and I've just shown you how to use my all-natural ham in the most delicious fettuccine, pea, ham, and Parmesan dish you've ever tasted.